Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of basic sketching tools of Fusion 360. Today we are gonna learn about Modifytools. First tool is fillet tool, which is used to make curves on the edges of a rectangular pattern, and it can be of different radiuses. As you can see here, it can be of different and any of the radiuses which is suitable for you. Yes. Now the second tool is the offset tool. It is used to make identical patterns from a distance to the original one. Now the third one is the trim tool, which is used to cut the several parts of sketching. For that, first we have to pick parts of sketch and then use this tool and then cut those parts which are unwanted. As you can see here, now our sketch is divided in several parts. For more informative videos of Fusion 360, stay tuned.